Hello my dear students, good morning and welcome back again on our school's YouTube platform. Here I am Pawan Chaudhary, your maths teacher in front of you with the lecture for grade 3rd, and we are just going to continue our exercise 2.4 of chapter 2, that is addition, and question number, just we are going to discuss question number 3rd and question number 4th. See the question number 3rd beta of exercise 2.4, that is on page number 40 in your book. First we read out the questions. Anna bought a pair of jeans for rupees 1699. A pair of jeans for rupees 1699. She also bought a jacket for rupees 1355 and a pair of shoes for rupees 870. Calculate the amount of money Anna spent on shopping of the three items. Anna bought a pair of jeans, the amount is given, and then jacket, the amount is also given, and the pair of shoes, the amount is also given. Calculate the amount of money spent on shopping for three items, means three items जो उसने परचेज किया अन्ना ने, उसके क्या टोटल क्या क्राइटेरिया रहेगा, कितना टोटल अमाउंट होगा. सो फॉर व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, हाउ यू फाइंड द टोटल अमाउंट फॉर थ्रू द एडिशन. क्या करेंगे हम, एडिशन के थ्रू इनका अमाउंट चेक करेंगे. सी द थर्ड क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट, प्राइस of a pair of jeans equals to rupees, कितना था बेटा प्राइस जींस का, 1699. देन प्राइस ऑफ a pair of a jacket, price of a jacket is equals to rupees 1355. Next, price of a pair of shoes equals to rupees how much, 870. Calculate the amount of money. Total price of the three items, the total price for of three items equals to rupees total. How you find the total? When the word total is there, then what you have to do, you have to total the amount. Total means you have to add the amount. Now let's add these amount. 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 0 that is 14, 4 carry 1, 9 plus 1 10, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 7 17, 17 plus 5 22, sorry, 22. Okay, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 7 22, 2 carry 2. Okay, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 3 19, 19 9 carry 1, 1 2 3. Total amount she had to pay, that is 3924. Okay, so in this way you have to complete the question number 3rd. See the question number 4th. Question number 4th. In a cloth manufacturing factory there are 3875 male workers. मेल जो है, मेल वर्कर है वो कितने हैं, 3875, एंड 4216 फीमेल वर्कर्स कितनी है, 4216. फाइंड द टोटल. वर्ड क्या अंडरलाइन करना बेटा, टोटल वर्ड को अंडरलाइन करो बुक के अंदर. फाइंड द टोटल नंबर ऑफ पीपल वर्किंग इन द फैक्ट्री. बेटा टोटल कैसे फाइंड होगा, जब हम मेल वर्कर्स और फीमेल वर्कर्स को क्या कर देंगे, एडअप कर देंगे. देन हमारे पास जो डेटा आएगा वो किसका आएगा, टोटल नंबर ऑफ वर्कर्स. द लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस एक्सरसाइज. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस See the question number last, that is question number 4th. Question number 4th. Total number of male workers in the factory equals to how many? 3875. Okay. Number of female workers in the factory equals to 4216. Then you have to find the total number of, see, the total number of workers working in the factory equals to, you have to underline this word only. How you find the total number of workers? When you add the male workers and female workers, you get the total workers that working in the factory. 6 plus 5, that is 11, 1, carry 1, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 8 plus 2, 10, 0, carry forwarded 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 4 equals to 8. That is 8091 are the total number of workers that are working in the factory. So we have completed our exercise 2.4. With that we also complete our chapter, that is chapter number 2. Then what you have to do, you have to solve the exercise that is on page number 41. You have to solve this by yourself. The abacus system that we already discussed. 3929 plus 2500 is equals to, you have to select the correct option. The numbers are in expanded form and you have to add this. Simple addition is there, that also we discussed in our class. Now splitting the numbers and the words problem is there, that question you have to do by yourself. The exercise is there in the book for the practice only. You have to practice in the rough notebook. If you are having any doubt, then you can contact us or you can call us. Okay, we are there to resolve your problem as soon as possible. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Thank you beta, take care, bye.